The title has no practical value. The business is broken. There are holes in the roof, the staff are revolting, and you, brother, are a coke-sniffing.
Allow me to introduce myself. I used to be in business with your father. I have certain interests that I need to discuss with you.
Now, what happens down there?
Must have come as a bit of a shock. Inheriting a house, title.
As the new landlord, you will receive a significant amount of money. In return, letting us carry out our activities.
You's like a duke, innit?
What the
People either survive in the jungle or exist in the zoo.
What do you think, John?
I think you should off back to your country house, off your spaniel.
I'm going to remove their interest from this estate.
I didn't create this problem. I'm trying to help you deal with it.
No one walks away, and it's down to you to keep him under manners. These are serious people. Although they appear to be house-trained, don't be deceived by the facade.
So in order to stop ourselves being associated with criminals, we are going to become criminals.
We're not criminals, Freddie.
Welcome to the jungle.
Lapsang Su Chonk.